So I know we've already talked about using the y-intercept of a line, but now I want to look at both the x and the y-intercept at the same time and talk about a different way to calculate them. First of all, if we have some line, maybe that looks like this, the point where it crosses the y-axis is just our y-intercept, and the point where it crosses the x-axis is the x-intercept. The x-intercept has a y-coordinate of 0. We're crossing the x-axis at a height of 0. So our x-intercept is going to be in the form x, 0. I'm actually going to make that my definition over here. And my y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. It's moved over left or right 0, so it's going to have coordinates 0, y. My y-intercept is 0, y. On the next page, we're going to take a look at how we can use this formula to quickly find the coordinates of the x and the y-intercepts. In the first problem, 3x minus 6y equals negative 12, it's in standard form, but that's okay, I can still go and use this formula. For the x-intercept, this is in the form x, 0. What I need to do is just plug in a 0 where my y was. I'm going to get 3x minus 6 times 0 equals negative 12. Well, 6 times 0, that's just 0, so we get 3x equals negative 12. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals negative 4. My x-intercept is negative 4, although since it's a point on my graph, I do want to write coordinates for this thing, and I'm going to say negative 4, 0. The y-intercept is in the form 0, y, so all that means I need to do is plug in a 0 for the x. 3 times 0 minus 6y equals negative 12. That gives me negative 6y equals negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 6. Y equals 2, so the y-intercept is 0, 2. Before I go through letter B, you might want to pause the video and try to do it on your own, and then restart it and see how I'm doing it. X-intercept, again, is x, 0, so I need to plug in a 0 for my y. 4x plus 7 times 0 equals 8, so 4x equals 8. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals 2, so the x-coordinates of the, the x-intercept, rather, is 2, 0. Y-intercept should be 0, y. 4 times 0 plus 7y equals 8. 7y equals 8. Divide by 7, divide by 7. Y equals, just leave it as a fraction. Don't make this a decimal. If you did, it wouldn't be an exact decimal anyhow. And we're going to say that the y-intercept is 0, 8 sevenths.